banded external rotation of the ankle and banded internal rotation of the ankle. So for this exercise, you can use a loop band, like I'm showing you here, or also a resistance band. If you're going to use the loop band, make sure you have a resilient band, because they can easily break if you stretch them enough. And let's say we're going to use the right now. We're going to strengthen our right ankle. Technically, we can strengthen both at the same time, but when we're doing an exercise for the first time, I like to focus first on one foot at least, and then you can actually do it at the same time. But for these purposes, we're going to use the right, anchor the band in the left leg, then extend the band a little bit, and then you have to feel the challenge here that your ankle or your foot wants to turn internally, and then we're going to oppose that resistance and move externally. So external rotation, hold it for a moment, and then for like internally again, externally, like that. It has to be challenging. If by the 5 or 6 you're not feeling anything, you probably can like extend it more. And the idea is to do 12 to 15 reps, depending on what I tell you on the Excel sheet. And you're gonna begin feeling like the muscles surrounding the ankle getting tired, and that's the perfect feeling for this exercise. And now for the internal rotation, it's a little bit more awkward, but it works if you only have like a loop band and you don't want to attach it anywhere. Just go like this. So see, I just cross my legs, and then make sure it goes really, like you position this on your toes, because that's better leverage for you to feel the exercise. And we're just going to oppose the resistance going internally. So internal rotation, like that. Good. And if you want to use a resistance band, you just anchor it like this. And then let's say we're going to do internal rotation with the right. So here, put it on your toes, not in your heels, in your toes, and then control it. Okay? There we go. Control it. Good. And then if you would like to do the same part, but now externally, you will need to change the band or turn around, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just showing you here. And then do with the same foot, external motion. Amazing exercise to get really strong ankles, specifically at this motion that sometimes we never exercise aside from movements that we do in sports like climbing, like maybe jumping. But this is a nice way of making the ankle strong in one of the many moves that it can do.